Well, hello there, friends. So today is going to be a little bit different video. It's going to be an update on my upholstery shop. So I've been working days in and days out, like every waking moment during the daytime anyway, because by the time the sun goes down, I'm so beaten, I'm so tired. I just dropped like a stone. So anyway, we got a lot of stuff been going on around here. So I'm going to show you what I got going on here on the outside. Over here we got Smoking Hot's garden. We're getting her garden going right here. See that? Got her garden going. Had it going last year, so it's time to replant. And over here, I just got her a brand new gazebo. So that way she can enjoy her time here outside. And that is our little fireplace right there, our wood stove that we're gonna have. And also her new barbecue undercover. And there's Mr. Poodles, always has to get in on the action. I know. So she has her little outhouse here. Got some flowers and stuff going on, some of her plants. And what I had to do here in the last couple days is I made a new door because I wasn't super happy with the old door. This one here actually looks a lot like the old door, but this one here is a lot bigger, a lot heavier, a lot thicker. Look at that. It really beat me up pretty good. Just trying to get it on there. It's so heavy. And then on the inside, we come in here, I finally finished the walls. So I finished the walls up to the ceiling, which I hadn't had before. Put on my mini split right there, air conditioner and heater. And also I finished up the drywall side. Right there. So this is what the customers see when they come in. They see my office right here. And then they see my workspace right here. And if they want, they can sit here in the lounge at the video ranch. And early this week, this is going to be our next project right here. This is a 65 or 64, 65, 66 Galaxie 500. We're going to be putting an interior kit. This customer, he bought an interior kit. So we're going to be putting all that in for him. New seats, carpet, headliner, door panels. I guess he's been collecting all the parts for this. As you know, I never buy aftermarket stuff. I've always made it myself. But this is going to be an exception. Okay, let's take a look here. So what we have is a customer applied carpet that they already put a carpet in. It was a brand new carpet, but you know, they did a lot of work to the car, I guess, and the carpet is some kind of cut pile. Not exactly sure, but it doesn't look like a very good carpet to me. So what we have here is we're going to be putting in a nice, more original looking loop carpet in the correct color right there. And even these seats here, looks like somebody at some point did an upholstery job here. And you can see that one. So we're going to be putting the original looking seat covers on this car. Got something else in a box there. And finally, I had a lot of requests for people asking me about bowed headliners in the old cars, and that's exactly what we have going on here. This takes the old style bowed headliner. So we're going to be doing that, and we're going to be doing door panels. Or like they say in the UK, door cards. Or like the young guys say here in the US, door cards. Don't ask me how that happened, but these are really door panels. Sorry, guys. Oh man, this thing here is stiff. And look at that. We got boxes and boxes and boxes. Boxes of stuff. Not poodles. So we have boxes. That looks like trim pieces. Oh, this is for the door panels. Those are the metal pieces that go on the top of the door panel. Okay, so those have to be installed. And we got some trunk pieces and more boxes and more trim pieces. And we got some painted parts here. Oh, wow. We get to make something from this mess. Yay. This is what happens when they start collecting parts, when they buy their aftermarket pieces to get their upholstery done. And I get to put this puzzle together. Buried under here, way under there. Oh, look at that. Seat covers. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Oh. I finally got around to staining that door. And that's the inside of our new door. And this is where I have some of my material samples. I got them tucked away inside this metal cabinet right here. Nice and tidy. And got some hanging over here. Got my vinyl samples right there. And a new addition is a picture on the wall. So I'm really having a hard time, like I say in this all the time, right? I'm having a hard time transitioning from construction to actually working on customers' cars. It's just that I have this determination and this drive to get things done. And when I focus on something, that's what I do is I focus on what I'm doing at the moment. And I always manage to get things done. I usually set goals for the day, and I always have to meet those goals because I know that if I never did this, who's going to do it for me, right? So I know I got to do it. I have a lot of responsibilities that I got to meet. And I got a lot of people counting on me. And I got customers also that I got to take care of. And I am making YouTube videos for you all that come and visit with me every week. And thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. And on my schedule is this 65 Ford Galaxie, or 64 or 66. I don't know what it is. I think it's the 65. You guys tell me in comments, okay? You guys saw it. You can tell me. Anyway, I'm going to be working on that all the next week. So I think that you're going to be seeing some videos of that one coming up here very soon. I told you it was a short one. So until next time, we'll see ya.